How to recover Clash Royale account. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be teaching you on recovering your Clash Royale account. So the first step is to launch the Clash Royale app. Within the app, your initial task is to create a new account which will pave the way for retrieving your previous account. Now locate and tap on the icon with the three horizontal lines commonly found in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings, and inside the Settings menu, navigate to the Help and Support section, and within the Help and Support, tap on the option labeled as Account. Within the Account section, you will find the option to recover your account and select I lost my account option. If you encounter any difficulties during this process, there is a further step you can take. Look for and tap for the Contact Us icon, often represented by the envelope or the message symbol at the top. From here, you can choose to leave a message initiating contact with the customer support. Upon connecting to customer support, proceed by selecting the category related to the login and Supercell ID issues. Within this category, you should find the option to initiate the account recovery process. Follow the prompts and provide the necessary information as requested, and be prepared to answer the questions about your account to verify your ownership. After completing the verification process, take the opportunity to describe your issue in detail, and by articulating your concerns clearly, you enable the support team to better understand and address your problem effectively. Once you have submitted your query, the support team will attend to your request promptly and assist you in recovering your account. So if you found this guidance beneficial, we kindly invite you to show your support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.